Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the market review, the opportunities that the market presented this week based on my strategy, my winning trade and my losing trade, if any. But before I continue, I would like to say that there are many trading strategies out there, like the smart money concept, the ICT concept, the BTMM or the business model of the market makers, the trend line trading concept, etc. But personally, I trade the Fantastic Five and other two. Fantastic Five comprises of SNRC1, SNRC2, QMRO, which is Quasimodo reversal, QMC, which is Quasimodo continuation, QMM, which is Quasimodo manipulation, and other setup like the blind spot and MEF. MEF means manipulation entry formula. These are the setup I look out in the market whenever I'm trading. I look at this Fantastic Five setup because the Fantastic Five setup always keep repeating on the chart week in, week out, right? So without wasting much of your time, let me walk you through the market and show you the opportunity that the market presented and how I was able to capitalize on them, right? So let's go straight to the chart. So on Monday, 3rd of July 2023, I spotted a Quasimodo on H4, a Quasimodo reversal, which is QM buy on H4. And this is my screen here. If you look at H4, you will see that I can see a Quasimodo on this chart. I know when I spotted this Quasimodo, I know at least gold is going to go up, right? So if you don't know much about Quasimodo reversal, I'm going to do a video on Quasimodo reversal, okay? I'm going to do a video on that. So all you have to do is to subscribe to the channel so that you'll be updated, right? So let me, as a beginner, all you have to do is to change to your line chart. When you spot a Quasimodo, change to the line chart like this, then you mark it like this. This is what I'm seeing, a low. So I mark from the low, high, lower, low, higher, high, right? This is what low, high, lower, low, higher, high. So we're expecting the market to come back and pick from this left shoulder of the QM, right? So let's change back to candlestick chart. So you mark it like this. Yeah, you mark it like this. This is how I was able to spot a Quasimodo. I know at least gold is going to go up. This is a low, high, lower, low, higher, high. And I know that price is coming back to pick from this level and then go up. So let me show you this setup on my channel. Okay, let me show you this setup on Monday. On Monday, it was, what is the goal? What is the goal setup? Okay. Where is the goal setup? Okay, yeah. Okay, I spotted this setup on my phone. It was on my phone. So this is the setup here. This is my, no, not really this one. Not really this one. Let me show you. Yeah, this is a setup. So I go down to the M15 time frame when I spot this Quasimodo on H4 and I look at the higher time frame. I know that the market is to go up. At least gold is going to go up. So I go down to M15, which is my entering time frame. Then I set my pending orders, waiting for the market to come and trigger, right? So this is how the market come down to this point, almost touch my stop loss, right? So I was confident that this Quasimodo is going to play out. So this is how the market got triggered here, go triggered massively, and this is how I was able to, you know, I was able to smash that trade on Monday, 3rd of July 2023. So on Tuesday, I had a setup on GBP USD, right? So on GBP USD, right? Yes, GBP USD. Let's look at it together. So this is GBP. For your information, I trade GBP USD, AUD USD, and gold USD. Sometimes, you know, I'm a human being. Sometimes if I'm not seeing any setup on these pairs, sometimes I go to GBP NZD and sometimes GBP CAD, right? So, but these are my 3 pairs. These are the 3 pairs I trade because my strategy works on all pairs. My strategy works wonders on all pairs, right? So let's look at the opportunity we got on GU. On GU, I think on Monday, on GU give us a blind spot. If you don't know about blind spot, I dropped a video on my channel about the blind spot. Make sure you go and watch it. So this is a blind spot on Monday, but I could not take a trade on Monday on GU. So on Tuesday, 4th of July 2023, let's look at, I think I spot this QM is a QM buy on M15. I spot QM buy on M15, right? So let me show you on M15. Yeah. Okay, yeah. This is M15 because I know that from H4 GBP USD is going to go up, right? So I want to see my setup. So now on M15, I spotted a QM buy. If I change to the line chart, I will show you this is what. This is the high, this is the low, the high, the lower low, and the higher high, right? So I pick my toe, then mark at the low here. Yeah, mark it like this, back to candlestick, then this is the level you are going to set your pending order, right? Where we mark, this is the level you are going to set your pending order here. So when I spotted this setup on GBP USD on Tuesday, I know that wow, the GBP is going to buy. So when I spot this setup, I mark it and send to the chart. So let me show you again. On Monday, yeah, this was the setup. I marked this setup on my system. I say, this is M15 setup QM buy. So, and I asked the students to take the opportunities, and behold, guys, that's how I was able to smash that trade. Let me show you. This is the trade. This is the trade, right? We're able to smash GU on Tuesday with my Quasimodo reversal setup. This Quasimodo is a profitable setup, guys. It's very, very profitable. Look at the outcome of the trade. So I'm telling you guys, what I'm trading is very, very, very simple. It's a simple setup, right? It's a simple setup. So let's continue on Thursday. No, not really, on Wednesday, which is 5th of July 2023. On Wednesday, what do we have on Wednesday? On Wednesday, I was able to, no, on Wednesday, no trade. On Wednesday, there was no trading opportunity for us, no setup for us. So we couldn't do anything. I couldn't do anything on the chart. I was just watching the chart. So that was how Wednesday goes. So on Tuesday, on Thursday, 6th of July 2023, on Thursday, I spotted a SNRC2, yeah, SNRC2 buy on gold. Let's go to gold. SNRC2 buy on gold. So SNRC2 buy on gold on M30, right? Let's look at gold. This is gold, right? Let's go to M30, right? Okay. Yeah. Yes. So from the higher time frame, I know that at least gold is going to go up again. So this was the trade. If you don't know SNRC2 setup, I'm going to do a video on each of these fantastic 5 setup, guys. So as usual, you change to the line chart. When you change to line chart, you mark it like this. When you mark it like this, guys, come back to candlestick chart, then you mark it like this. Also, in this SNRC2, for you to be able to have confidence in taking SNRC2, right, you have to look at the higher time frame as for confirmation. The confirmation is you want to see a bullish engulfing candle. just like the blind spot. We want to see a bullish engulfing candle or a momentum candle on a higher time frame. So when we go to H1, I'll go to H1. I think on H1, yeah, look at this, a bullish engulfing candle here. So the bullish engulfing candle on H1 gave us the confidence to take the trade, guys. Let me. So give us the confidence to take the trade. Direction, right? So when I saw this bullish engulfing as confirmation of SNRSC2, I went down as usual to M15 time frame to set my pending order. So I set my pending order. I think we smashed over 75 pips on this setup on Thursday, right? So let me show you on the group, on the channel. So this was the setup on Thursday. This was the go setup. So this is a go setup on Thursday. I mark out SNRC2 on Thursday, and I also ask students to, capitalize on the trade. And this is how gold, which one? This is how gold trigger, right? Gold came down, picked our order, and then boom. Let me show you how we smash gold. Yeah, it was how gold play out, guys. SNRC2, when you find SNRC2 on the chart, go for lookout for confirmation. Even QMR will also look for confirmation, right? But when I'm going to do a video on QMR. So when I do a proper video on QMR, I will show you how to look for confirmation at the higher time frame when you find out the QMR. Also, I'm also going to do a video on SNRC2 as well as all the Fantastic Five setup, guys. So that is why you have to stick to this channel, because I'm going to be dropping amazing content. Trading is not hard. Trading is simple. It's just that you have to understand the concept, right? You have to understand the concept. So on that same Thursday, guys, let's go back to chart. On that same Thursday, I spotted a blind spot setup on AUD USD, right? On that same Thursday, AUD USD. So on H1, I spotted this guy here. Yeah, I spotted this guy here, AUD. At this point, this was if you are watching my video on blind spots, the market was going down, and then what happened? This bearish engulfing was significantly break by price. So I know that at least when price come back to this point, it's going to buy. So I also send that setup on the chart on my Telegram channel for people to take advantage of it, right? So this was the markup. Usually, when I see a markup like this on H1, I will go to M15. When I mark it, I'll go to M15 and set my pending order, right? So all you have to do is change to the line chart. No, not really. You can mark the blind spots anyhow you want it, right? So once you mark it, go to the M50 time frame to set your pending order, right? Because that is my entry time frame. So this is how I was able to, let me show you. This is how I was able to smash that trade. Not really. So I was able to smash that trade, but it wasn't about how many pips on AUD USD, but it was a successful trade anyway. Let me go to higher time frame and mark out something. Okay, yeah, this was how. Okay, so from the higher time frame, I know that AUD is an uptrend. AUD is going to go up. So when I spot that blind spot on H1, I know it's time for AUD to at least push up. So let's go back to H1. So this was the trade. I mark out this setup, and I ask students on my channel to take advantage of it, So let me show you as well on the chart. Yeah, it was the setup on the chart. That same 6th of July, Thursday, 6th of July, 2023. This is the setup, and this is how it goes, right? This is where the market trigger, and this is the entry, because we analyze on the system, then we enter the trade on our phone, right? This was the trade and was able to smash AUD USD, right? We're in deep profit on this guy. So this is how I trade. I look out for the fantastic 5. But first of all, let me give you one tip. When you open your chart, go to the higher time frame. I use to determine the direction of the market. I use H4 time frame as direction. If I come to the H4 time frame, where is the market going? That is the question. I look out for the market structure. If I know that the H4 time frame, let's say on GBP USD, is an uptrend, what I'm going to be doing, I will come down to the lower time frame and be looking for my setup, this fantastic 5 setup, in line with the direction of the higher time frame, which is my H4. So if I check on a higher time frame, I see that okay, the market is in a downtrend. I'm going to be looking for what? I'm going to be looking for only QM sell, SNRC 1 sell, SNRC 2 sell. I'm going to be looking for blind spot sell and all that. So all the setup I'm going to be looking at is for sell. I'm not going to be looking for buy. So this is how I trade. So go to the higher time frame, determine the direction of the market, come down and be looking for this setup in line with the direction of the market. Guys, this is how you are going to get better in this, because like I said, if you watch my video, you have to go back to your drawing board to look at this setup again. If you don't know much about this setup, don't worry. I'm going to do a video on, like I said, guys, trading is not hard. Trading is simple. You know, you just need devotion. You have to stay devoted on the chart. You know, without devotion, there is no transformation. No matter what you are devoted to, apart from trading, it is the quality of your devotion which will transform you. Okay, so I'm going to drop a video next on SNRC 1. In fact, all the fantastic 5 setups. So make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also follow me on my Instagram to see what I'm doing on a weekly basis. Follow me on my Telegram channel. The link is on the description of my channel, not the description of this video. So check the link of my Instagram and the link of my channel, my Telegram channel, on the description of my channel, guys. So I'm going to see you in the next video. Peace.